The most recent tech revolution sparked by artificial intelligence has brought immense benefits, including freedom from repetitive, mind-numbing tasks. However, this new technology has also become a threat to humanity at large, with many experts fearing an AI-generated apocalypse. The AI revolution is going to be bigger than the internet revolution. However, deepfakes and deep scams can create much fear in the digital age and will have a huge impact on society. In this video, we will explain what is deepfake, how it is useful, and in what measure it is dangerous. Hello and welcome back to Next Mind. Deepfakes, a type of synthetic media that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to hatch hyper-realistic fabrications across videos, images, texts, and audio forms, have never caught our attention as much as they've done in recent times. Probably because they lacked the level of ubiquity they command now, or we felt it was something confined to the social media playing ground, where we see users manipulate their faces and voices with all manner of filters, and therefore care less about their implications beyond the realm of social media. And like every tech innovation, deepfakes will offer us a duality of use, the positive and dangerous sides. First, we will talk about the danger side. A recent survey shows that by 2024, about 95% of consumers in the US will have fallen victim to a deepfake. The US National Security Agency, Federal Bureau of Investigation and Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Agency, in a recent report, warned that there is a significant danger arising from the misuse of deepfakes pose significant dangers by enabling the creation of highly convincing fake content, including videos and audio recordings. Misuse of this technology can lead to the spread of false information, political manipulation, and damage to reputations. Individuals may find themselves implicated in fabricated scenarios, threatening personal and professional lives. Deepfakes also undermine the trustworthiness of digital media, making it harder for people to discern between authentic and manipulated content. In the next phase, we will talk about deepfakes as a strength for organizations. Despite the evident dangers posed by deepfakes, some experts still believe that organizations can effectively harness the benefits while mitigating the associated risks. Using deepfake technologies opens up various possibilities, such as enhancing simulation-based training scenarios without involving real individuals and market content creation, claims Tim Green, Chief Operations Officer. He further notes that organizations can take advantage of deepfakes to market content creation, as it could provide more creative ways to engage with our audience. But it's essential to maintain transparency and inform customers when such technology is used to maintain trust and credibility. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for much more exciting content.